My name is Mahendran. This is my project, International Business. Importance, nature, and scope of international business. Definition: international business. Cross-border transaction, multinational corporation, drivers, stockholders. Uh, Cross-border transactions. International business involves the exchange of the goods, service, capital, and knowledge across the international boundaries. Multinational corporation. MNCs operate in multi countries, leveraging global resources and the markets to achieve strategic advantages. Reversal stockholders. International business engages in wide range stakeholders including cross-mass governments and the international organization. Reverse of globalization. Technological advancements involves the translation of the communication of information. Technology have enabled the faster and more effective global integration. Economic liberalization, reduced trade bravery and the risk of the free market economics have facilitated the goods. Cultural connections, increase the cross-cultural exchange, the spirit of global. Forms of the media have a mobilization of the consumer performance. Benefits of engaging in the international business. Access to large market, expanding into international markets that allows the companies to reach while the customers post the achieves create the economics of the sale. Definition of the risk. Operation of the multiple countries can be helped mitigate the impact of the economic, political, or the social instability in any single market. Cultural exchange and the innovation. Integrating and the diverse cultures can be posters creative cross politician of the ideas and the developments of innovators products and service. Exchange and risk of international business. Culturally engaged barriers. Defense of the language customers and social norms and can be complicated communication reasons of the adoption of business strategic supply chain complexity manage the logistic transportation and the investigation across border can be more difficult and the subject to greater distribution. Currency of the parliaments, expense of exchange rate variability can be importance of the international operation. Mates of international business operation. Export, listening, joint investing, foreign trade investment. Selling goods and service, product in the one countries and customers in the another country. Creating the right use intellectual property, such the points of development exchange of the royalties. Forming the new entry with a foreign partner, share ownership receives of the risk. Eliciting and the acquiring business operation the foreigners makes the acquisition. Key elements of international business strategy: market selection, global integration, flexible adoption, risk management. Identify the most profiting foreign markets faster and the factors list size, growth, potential of the competitive landscape. Risk management, property identification, virus political, the example, operational risk, international expand, flexible adoption, toll-hauling profits, service and the business models meet the unique needs and performance of local markets. The role of governments in international business. Policy farmer works, incentive of support, political consideration. Governments shop of international business environment thought the regulatory farmer. Many governments of various insulating such as a tax breaks, suitabilities, export permission programs to the attract and support international investment. Future trends in international business. Digital transformation, shifting global power, dynamics, suitability, and social responsibility.